Top 5 Metaverse stocks for 100x massive gains. Want to earn life-changing returns in the stock market? Get on the ground floor of a brand new industry like the Metaverse, an iteration of the internet that creates interconnected virtual worlds. Facebook's parent company, Meta Platforms, has reignited interest in Metaverse development after announcing plans to commit $10 billion to build what it calls the successor to the mobile internet. Welcome back. I hope you've enjoyed our content, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Roblox. Up over 60% from its initial trading price in March 2021, Roblox's stock is on fire. And despite boasting an already massive market cap of nearly $60 billion on less than $1 billion of revenue, the video game company still has room to grow as it capitalizes on its youthful audience and compelling niche. The Metaverse, defined as persistent 3D virtual realities, doesn't really exist yet. But it has to some extent in gaming. Think Second Life, and hence this is a logical first step for the concept. As a video game company, the Roblox platform already relies on computer graphics and programmed virtual experiences, and with half of its users under the age of 13, its demographics are quite compelling. During COVID, preteens even held birthday parties on the platform due to quarantine restrictions. Number 2. Snap. Growth in the Metaverse is incorporating augmented reality devices, which combine real life with computer-generated images. Think Google Glass. As a leader in augmented reality software, Snap, the parent company of Snapchat, is well positioned to capitalize on this growth, especially after the release of their AR sunglasses, Spectacles. In addition, Snap is working with partners such as Ralph Lauren and MAC Cosmetics to expand its AR shopping experiences, which already include virtually trying on clothing. Research and Markets expects AR to grow annually at 32% to $88 billion by 2026 as e-commerce and other industries incorporate the technology. And while AR is less immersive than VR, it can be built into a more user-accessible segment of the Metaverse that doesn't actually require exiting the real world. Snap stock is down about 8% for the year. Perhaps it's a good time to buy. Number 3. Musix is a rare pure play on the growing AR market. The 8-year-old company sells various types of AR headsets. Its M-series AR headsets are primarily used by remote workers, healthcare professionals, and the military, while its Blade AR headsets, linked to Amazon's Alexa and Alphabet's Google Assistant, target home users. Musix is a relatively small company, with a market cap of just under $600 million, but its revenue surged from just $2 million in 2016 to $12 million in 2020. Demand for its M-series headsets skyrocketed throughout the pandemic, and analysts expect its revenue to grow another 36% to $15 million this year, and then double next year. Musix isn't profitable yet, but its practical approach to the AR market, focusing on addressing the specific needs of certain industries, gives it an early mover's advantage in the enterprise AR market that Facebook and Snap have largely ignored. Musix faces competition from Microsoft's HoloLens and Google's enterprise-facing version of Google Glass, but enterprise customers that don't want to be tethered to those tech giants might prefer to stick with Musix designs. Therefore, investors looking for a small-cap AR play with plenty of room to run should take a closer look at Musix. Number 4. Nvidia, underpinning the Metaverse. There's little question that Nvidia has been a boom to shareholders in recent years. The designer of graphic processing units, or GPUs, is the undisputed leader in the space, with an 83% market share. GPUs are essential to cryptocurrency mining, which is one reason why it's been such a boon. Parallel processing, the ability to run a multitude of complex mathematical calculations at a lightning-fast speed, not only helps render lifelike images in video games, but has also made GPUs a staple for building AI systems and moving data in cloud computing systems and data centers. This has helped the stock climb more than 130% over the preceding 12 months and deliver a staggering 8,800% gain in the past decade. Investors might be surprised to learn that this could just be the beginning. Number 5. Unity software. Unity is best known for the development of Unity, a licensed game engine. The software which is used to create video games and other applications. In fact, 94 of the biggest 100 game development studios use the Unity engine. It would be pretty hard to imagine this company not benefiting massively from further development of the Metaverse, given its entrenched position in the gaming industry. With revenue under $1 billion and a market cap of $40 billion, this may seem a bit overvalued, but with the expected growth in the industry, this could still be a good buy. Virtual worlds equal real opportunity. Make no mistake, while the Metaverse is still largely conceptual, it's coming, and the opportunity is vast. Morgan Stanley analyst Brian Nowak believes the Metaverse represents an $8 trillion addressable market, and companies are scrambling to stake their claim. Each of these businesses has a first-mover advantage in creating the Metaverse, and while its full potential is still years away, these companies are setting the stage, which could make investors a fortune over the coming decade. How long do you think it will take for these companies to hit 100 times revenue? Let us know in the comments. And as always, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.